Nowadays, almost every software engineer uses AI tools to increase their productivity. But would you believe me if I told you that AI tools make the users dumber and reduce brain activity? If you don't believe me, you should believe what the MIT research says about it. The results of the study will shock you. Before we continue, I want you to know that this channel is all about growing as software engineers together. If you want to join, subscribe now. Recently, MIT published a very detailed research paper. The results of the paper are quite frustrating. Let me tell you more about how the research was conducted. 54 people aged 18 to 39 from Boston were divided into 3 groups and asked to write several SAT essays throughout the research. One of the groups was allowed to use ChatGPT, the other group could only use Google search, and the last group was not allowed to use anything at all. Meanwhile, the brain activities of the participants were measured using a device called EEG. The results were interesting and infuriating at the same time. The ChatGPT users had the lowest brain engagement and consistently underperformed at neural, linguistic, and behavioral levels. Over the course of several months, ChatGPT users got lazier as well. The brain-only group, conversely, showed the highest neural connectivity, especially in alpha, theta, and delta bands, which are associated with creativity ideation, memory load, and semantic processing. The group which used Google search also expressed high satisfaction and active brain function. As you can see, the findings of the study are quite concerning. Although the author of the study talks about the limitations of the study, she emphasizes the possible effects of generative AI tools on our brains. Like everyone else, software engineers started to use generative AI tools in their workflow to enhance their productivity. But these tools may give permanent damage to their coding and problem-solving skills. As you know, software engineering is all about understanding and solving problems with the right approach. Despite all these negative sides of the artificial intelligence tools, we can still reclaim our brains. First things first, you need to minimize the use of AI tools. This is the first and most important step to heal your brain. Personally, I have deactivated all of the AI extensions on my coding environments like Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, PyCharm, etc. Initially it was hard and I realized how addicted I had become to these AI tools. I also realized that coding is much more fun without these AI tools. Secondly, start to use software engineering websites like Stack Overflow. This will help your brain stay engaged and active according to the study. We still don't know the possible effects of AI tools on our brains or our bodies, so it is always good to be on the safe side. Do not rely on AI tools so much. This may reduce your skills. You might be saying, but I can build everything I want with a few prompts. You can build them as much as these AI tools let you. If these tools are not good enough, you cannot build complex applications. This is extremely limiting yourself and your potential. In conclusion, I caution you as a software engineer that your coding may be at severe risk due to AI tools. Do not use them every time you need help. Just think and let your brain work for you. And I really want to know what you think about this research and its findings. Write them in comments. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.